Hey everyone, welcome to What's Grinding Gabriela's Gears. I'm your host, Gabriela. Today we are going to talk about FedRAMP and some requirements from A2LA, which is the accreditation body, in making sure that FedRAMP requires and recognizes that all third-party assessor or 3PAL organizations and the personnel that support or perform the FedRAMP security authorizations must meet all of the requirements that are identified by the A2LA R311, which is the specific requirements for FedRAMP policy. What does this mean? Specifically, the roles that are identified as a FedRAMP assessment team are a senior assessor, a junior assessor, and penetration tester. Each of these respective roles must meet personnel standard requirements. That also includes years of experience, training and certification qualifications, and technical proficiency activities, on top of all of the mandatory continuous monitoring FedRAMP training that each of our teams must go through so that we can maintain our overall 3PAO certification and authentication or authorization. All three of these roles are required to be performed and executed by someone who is authorized. That also means that they must go to what is called the Baltimore Cyber Range. And this is the training after you've met all of your certification requirements that is minimally required for your FedRAMP team. Beginning on October 1st of 2023, FedRAMP, in coordination with A2LA, will be actively reviewing all service offerings, initial authorization, and annual assessment submissions, and 3PAL provided readiness assessment report, or the RAR, submission, which includes all of the documented 3PAL assessment teams that are staffed with qualified personnel. So on a previous episode, I talked about how there's some changes to the SAP. This is exactly what that means. So within your SAP, your security assessment plan, you must identify all of the team members that are performing the assessment, whether they, what roles they are fulfilling, and whether they meet all of the requirements. This then goes to your CSO, whoever is serving as your signatory. They must validate that the personnel that we have identified within the SAP are the exact same personnel that has supported each of those engagements, and they have the authorization to request any documentation to validate that the members that are supporting that activity actually meet the criteria. One key thing, because I feel like this is a huge item that a lot of organizations get mixed up. This specifies that we cannot have unqualified members and qualified members mixed in a team to support your FedRAMP activities. All team members must be FedRAMP authorized, meeting their role designation requirements, their continuous education requirements, and must have BCR to support any FedRAMP activities. Stick around so you guys can find out more. Please comment, share your feedback, ask us questions. Let me know what else you'd like to hear us talk about. Like and subscribe. Hope to see you guys all on our next episode of What's Grinding Gabriela's Gears.